Today, I'm going to show you 40 indoor houseplants that can instantly brighten up your space. So let's dive right in. Number 1. Croton. Crotons are known for their bold, leathery leaves that burst with red, orange, yellow, and green. They thrive in bright light, which makes their colors even more intense. A perfect choice for anyone who wants a dramatic tropical vibe indoors. Number 2. Calathea roseopicta, also called the rose-painted calathea. This plant has dark green leaves with striking pink brush-like strokes in the center. The undersides are purple, making it just as beautiful from below. It adds elegance to shaded corners with its soft, artistic patterns. Number 3. Coleus. Coleus plants are absolute color bombs, with foliage ranging from lime green to deep burgundy, purple, and hot pink. Their serrated leaves often mix multiple colors on one leaf, perfect for adding instant brightness to shelves or windowsills. Number 4. Aglaonema redsiem. This low-maintenance Chinese evergreen features vivid red and green foliage that looks painted. It tolerates low light but glows in brighter rooms. Its colorful leaves bring a lively contrast to modern minimalist spaces. Number 5. Polka dot plant. Polka dot plants come with tiny green leaves dusted with red, pink, or white speckles. They stay compact, making them a great tabletop plant. Their cheerful speckling adds a playful, almost confetti like look to the indoors. Number 6. Prayer plant. This plant's deep green leaves are veined with bright red and yellow, resembling hand painted patterns. At night, its leaves fold up as if in prayer, giving it a moving, lively charm. A conversation starter for plant lovers. Number 7. Stromanthe triostar, one of the most decorative foliage plants. Stromanthe has long pointed leaves streaked in pink, cream, and green. The undersides glow with magenta, especially under bright light. It's like having living watercolor art in your home. Number 8. Rex begonia. Rex begonias are collectors' favorites for their swirly patterned leaves in silver, purple, pink, and red tones. No two varieties look alike, making them ideal if you want unique textures and colors. Their dramatic foliage is more eye-catching than flowers. Number 9. Anthurium. Anthuriums are famous for their glossy, heart-shaped leaves topped with bright red or pink spathes. These long-lasting blooms can last for weeks, bringing color year-round. They are often called flamingo flowers for their tropical flair. Number 10. Wandering Jew. This fast-growing trailing plant has purple, silver, and green striped leaves that shimmer in sunlight. It's perfect for hanging baskets or shelf edges where its vines can cascade. Its metallic sheen gives it a modern touch to the indoors. Number 11. Aglaonema pink Dalmatian. With its green leaves sprinkled in bright pink spots, this variety looks playful and unique. Aglaonemas are hardy, so even beginners can enjoy their vibrant foliage. It's like having natural artwork in your living room. Number 12. Kalanchoe blossfeldiana. This succulent produces dense clusters of bright flowers in red, yellow, orange, or pink. The blooms can last for weeks, often during winter when homes need color most. Its glossy green leaves add to its charm. Number 13. Caladium. Caladiums, also called as angel wings, are famous for their heart-shaped leaves patterned in pink, red, white, and green. Each variety looks like a stained glass window. They thrive in warmth and instantly brighten any corner. Number 14. Cordyline. Cordylines bring height and drama with their long leaves streaked in pink, burgundy, and purple. They are tropical plants that look stunning in big planters. Their bold hues make them natural focal points. Number 15. Dracaena maginata tricolor. This variety features thin leaves striped in green, cream, and pink. Its tall, slender shape makes it ideal for small spaces. It's a colorful alternative to a floor plant without being too overwhelming. Number 16. Purple shamrock. This unique plant has deep purple, triangular leaves that fold up at night. It also produces dainty pink flowers above the foliage. Its color changing habit makes it feel alive and interactive. Number 17. Purple passion plant. Covered in velvety purple hairs, this plant looks almost unreal. Its fuzzy texture glows in sunlight, giving a mystical vibe. It's a must have for anyone who loves rare exotic foliage. Number 18. Gazmania bromeliad. This bromeliad produces a central star-shaped flower in red, pink, orange, or yellow. The bloom can last for months, making it a low-maintenance color bomb. Its tropical look pairs beautifully with modern decor. Number 19. Blue Rain bromeliad. This rare bromeliad stands out with its tall spike of bright pink and purple flowers. It looks like a living torch rising from the center, a showpiece for any plant corner. Number 20. Peperomia ruby cascade. A trailing peperomia with round glossy green leaves and a ruby red underside. Perfect for shelves or hanging baskets. It brings soft texture and hidden pops of color when the vines trail down. Number 21. Neoregalia bromeliad. Unlike other bromeliads, this one colors its leaves instead of flowers. The center of the rosette glows pink or red, surrounded by green, a long lasting splash of tropical vibrance. Number 22. Variegated rubber plant. This plant has broad, glossy leaves marbled with cream and green texture. It's tough and forgiving while still looking elegant. The pastel tones make it a designer favorite. Number 23. Thai plant. This cordyline variety stands out with its hot pink and burgundy leaves. It grows upright, giving height and a tropical flair indoors. A plant that demands attention. Number 24. Polka dot begonia. Known for its angel wing-shaped leaves with silver polka dots, this begonia is strikingly artistic. The red undersides glow when lights hit them. It's a true statement piece for plant shelves. Number 25. Fittonia. Fittonia's small leaves come with bright veins in pink, red, or white. Compact and low growing, it's perfect for terrariums or desktops. It adds intricate detail and looks like a living mosaic. 26. Aglaonema silverbay. This variety features broad leaves with silver centers that fade into green edges. The soft metallic sheen adds elegance. It's colorful but subtle enough to blend with any decor. 27. Bromeliad raceyi, also called flaming sword. It produces a tall, bright red flower spike shaped like a blade. The dramatic bloom lasts for months, a plant that instantly grabs attention in any room. 28. Wandering Dude. This trailing plant has leaves streaked in white and green. As it cascades down from a pot, the pastel tones create a dreamy effect. It's perfect for adding softness indoors. 29. Peacock plant. The peacock plant has intricate feather-like patterns in green and cream with purple undersides. The leaves look painted and move with the light, a plant that adds texture and art to shaded areas. 30. Peperomia roseau. It has pointed green leaves with a deep red undersides. Compact and neat, it's a small plant that packs a big punch of color, great for tabletops or office desks. 31. Flowering maple. Flowering maples produce hanging bell-shaped blooms in red, yellow, or orange. The flowers look like tiny lanterns dangling among soft green leaves. They bring cheerful charm indoors. 32. Cyclamen. Cyclamens bloom in winter with vibrant pink, purple, or white flowers that float above patterned leaves. Their petals curl backward, giving them a whimsical butterfly look. They are perfect for brightening colder months. 33. African violet. With velvety leaves and clusters of purple, pink, or white flowers, African violets are classic indoor plants. They bloom multiple times a year with the right care. Small but endlessly rewarding. 34. Amaryllis. Amaryllis produces massive trumpet-shaped flowers in red, pink, or white. Each bloom can last for weeks, and the tall stalks make them look majestic indoors. A plant that always steals the show. 35. Gerbera daisy. Gerberas are cheerful daisies with oversized blooms in every color imaginable. Indoors, they brighten windowsills and tables with their vibrant shades. They look like living sunshine. 36. Queen's tears. Queen's tears produce pink bracts that cascade gracefully. The blooms drip nectar, hence the name. A striking plant with a delicate exotic appeal. 37. Clivia miniata. Clivia produces bright orange or yellow trumpet-shaped blooms that last for weeks. Even without flowers, its strappy green leaves look elegant. It's both bold and classy. 38. Poinsettia. Famous during Christmas, poinsettias display red, pink, or white bracts that look like flowers. Their festive charm makes them a seasonal indoor favorite. Even after holidays, they remain striking. 39. Moth orchids. Moth orchids produce graceful arcing stems of long-lasting flowers. They bloom in pink, purple, white, and even spotted patterns. Their elegance makes them timeless decor. 40. Lipstick plant. This trailing plant produces bright red tubular flowers that peek out like lipsticks from a tube. Its cascading vines make it ideal for hanging baskets, a playful yet vibrant houseplant. If you like to have permanent flowering plants in your house, check out this video.